concept of a satanic new world order using vaccines to control the population is a theory that has gained significant attention in recent years, particularly among conspiracy theorists. According to this theory, a group of powerful individuals and organizations are working together to create a one-world government that would control every aspect of people's lives, including their health. Vaccines, in this narrative, are seen as a tool to achieve this goal, allegedly containing toxic substances, microchips, or other agents that can manipulate and enslave individuals. Proponents of this theory often point to the fact that many vaccines are developed and distributed by large pharmaceutical companies, which they claim have a vested interest in creating a dependent and complacent population. They argue that these companies, in collaboration with governments and other powerful entities, are using vaccines to implant tracking devices, alter DNA, or spread diseases, all with the ultimate goal of establishing a new world order. Some even believe that vaccines are being used to reduce population growth, as part of a broader agenda to control the world's resources and establish a totalitarian regime. However, it is essential to examine the scientific evidence and expert opinions on this matter. The overwhelming consensus among medical professionals, scientists, and reputable health organizations is that vaccines are safe and effective in preventing infectious diseases. Vaccines undergo rigorous testing and scrutiny before they are approved for use, and their ingredients and manufacturing processes are tightly regulated. The idea that vaccines contain toxic substances or microchips is entirely unfounded and has been repeatedly debunked by credible sources. Moreover, the benefits of vaccination are well documented and widely recognized. Vaccines have been instrumental in eradicating diseases such as smallpox and polio, and have significantly reduced the incidence of other serious illnesses like measles, mumps, and whooping cough. By protecting individuals from these diseases, vaccines also prevent the spread of infections to vulnerable populations such as the elderly, young children, and people with compromised immune systems. It is also worth noting that the production and distribution of vaccines are subject to strict quality control measures, ensuring that they meet high standards of safety and efficacy. The World Health Organization (WHO), the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), and other reputable health organizations closely monitor vaccine development, testing, and distribution, and provide guidelines and recommendations for their use. In contrast to the claims of conspiracy theorists, there is no credible evidence to support the idea that vaccines are being used as a tool for mass control or population manipulation. While it is true that some vaccines may have side effects or rare adverse reactions, these are typically mild and temporary, and the benefits of vaccination far outweigh the risks. Ultimately, the notion that a satanic new world order is using vaccines to control the population is a baseless and misleading conspiracy theory. It is essential to rely on credible sources of information, such as peer-reviewed scientific studies and reputable health organizations, rather than unsubstantiated claims and speculation. By doing so, we can make informed decisions about our health and well-being and work together to promote public health and prevent the spread of infectious diseases. In conclusion, while the idea of a new world order using vaccines to control the population may seem intriguing, it is a theory that lacks any concrete evidence or scientific basis. Vaccines are a crucial tool in preventing infectious diseases and protecting public health, and their safety and efficacy have been extensively demonstrated through rigorous testing and scientific research. Rather than perpetuating unfounded conspiracy theories, we should focus on promoting accurate information and supporting evidence-based public health initiatives to create a healthier and more informed world.